My name is Marang Marekimane. I'm from Business Process Mechanics. I founded the company now 8 years ago. I assist entrepreneurs to buy back their time and sanity, and we do that by documenting their business processes and then automating those processes so that they can scale. The value add for having organizations like Join Us for Tea coming and supporting a township economy to grow it is actually immeasurable. We do need to change the dynamics for what's happening in our townships. We do need to support it, not just for the sake of people having access to employment, but for us to just better our communities, to break open those poverty cycles, to really become a country that is flourishing the way that it should be, given that we have so many talented people, so many skilled people, and so many innovative people. And it's not just, and we need to see those values created beyond the borders of a township. My experience at Join Us for Tea today, quite excited. I'm always excited to come to these events. I've been supporting Join Us for Tea, I think, for the past 5 years now, and I'll continue providing my support because I do see the value that they create within the communities that they actually bring these sessions to, and I do hope to see them flourishing as they grow and scale these sessions.